Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that actually affect speed. Power cycle both modem and router and then test. Unplug devices for 30 seconds, plug the modem back, wait until lights stabilize, then power the router. Once done, connect one device via Ethernet to measure raw ISP speed. This isolates Wi-Fi. Make sure heavy transfers are paused and count devices on the network. If wired speed is near your plan, wireless settings are the next target. Otherwise, contact your ISP. You now make the router behave better. Log into its admin page, update firmware, and verify band settings. Switch slow devices to 5 GHz when in range because 5 GHz gives higher throughput. Keep 4 GHz for range. Change Wi-Fi channel to avoid neighbors on 4 GHz prefer channels 1, 6, or 11. If many walls block signal, move the router centrally and avoid metal/large electronics. Once done, lower transmit power slightly if interference persists and retest speeds. You finish by tuning and validating. Enable CoS and prioritize latency-sensitive traffic like video calls or a gaming console. This ensures responsiveness even when others stream. If coverage gaps remain, add an access point or mesh node and place it where signal drops. Run speed tests in several rooms and compare to your wired baseline. If nothing improves, factory reset the router as a last resort but backup settings first. Troubleshooting tip. If speeds stay poor after all steps, temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.